Morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. A lot of videos are switched off. Please switch on your videos.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning. All the others, Aradhya, Sarah, Jovac, Farmis, please switch on the videos. I want to see all your faces. Okay. Yes. So, good morning once again. Welcome back.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, shall we get back to our lesson?
Yes.
Yes. So yesterday we stopped at, quickly we'll finish the lesson and we'll move on to the question answers. Okay. Only a little more is left of the lesson. Right. So yesterday we stopped at where Ravina auntie was telling Preeti and Priya that they had gone to the mountains before she went to the desert to click pictures of what?
Lion.
Mountain lion. Yes. And she also told them that it was not snowing, but it was very cold and windy on the mountains.
Ma'am,
Yes, Afif?
the last paragraph we didn't read.
We didn't do. Yes, we are going to do that now. We were going to do the last paragraph. Okay. So the last paragraph, I'm going to read it first. Were you able to click pictures? Asked Priya. Yes, we set up a lookout point and covered it with leaves and branches. No one could see us. My friend had his camera ready. We had to wait for hours before the lion came. We were able to click just a few pictures before the lion ran away on hearing some. What a story, said Preeti. I am going to travel when I grow up. Me too, said Priya. Okay, so we stopped at where Ravina auntie was telling them how they went to take pictures of the mountain lion. Okay. And the last paragraph, she is explaining to Preeti and Priya how they took pictures. Now, if you all know, lion is a wild animal, right? So it is not easy for anyone to go in front of a lion and take pictures of the lion. Yes or no?
Yes.
You think the lion will stand there and pose for us? Please take my
No.
pictures.
No.
No. Yes. So lion is definitely going to attack when they see some human beings, right? So when they have to take pictures, they have to make sure they are at a safe place, at a place where the lion cannot see them. So what the Ravina auntie and the friend did was they set up a lookout point. A lookout point is a place where it's a safe place to watch the lion. Here it is the lion. If have you seen this National Geography channel or Animal Planet?
Yes.
Have you
Yes,
seen those
ma'am.
channels?
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen them
Yes.
taking pictures of wild animals?
Yes.
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 Yes. Now if it's pictures of a zebra or a deer or something, it's easier because those animals don't attack. But if it's of animals like a lion or a tiger, it is difficult because these animals will attack us. So what you have to do is you have to make sure you are safe. So what they did was they set up the camera and they covered it with leaves so that the lion thinks that it is just leaves, not anybody else. And they stood behind this so that the lion would not see them. Okay. So that is what is a lookout point.
And they hide the camera.
They hide the camera. Yes. You have to hide the camera and yourself. Otherwise, the lion will attack. So that's how they set up the camera. And they had to wait for a long time because they had to wait for the lion to come to make sure it was a correct angle and all that. And then they took pictures. And they got very few pictures because by then the lion heard some noise and it ran off. So they could click only very few pictures. And after hearing all this, Preeti and Priya become very excited. It sounds very exciting, no, to take pictures of lion, go to different places. And so they say that when we grow up, We also want to travel like Ravina auntie. That brings us to the end of this lesson, the travels of Ravina auntie. So is it, I hope everybody has understood. Is there anything that you want me to explain again?
No.
Sure?
Sure.
So shall we move on to the question answers then?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Uh,
can you explain first?
the whole lesson?
Yes.
Okay. So I will tell you the whole lesson in short. Okay. So the lesson is about two girls, Preeti and Priya. Preeti and Priya have an auntie called Ravina auntie, and they are very excited because that auntie is coming to visit them. Okay. They like this auntie very much because she tells them stories about different places and different interesting things that she has seen and she has visited. She is working for a magazine, so she gets to travel a lot to lot of places. So she comes back and tells them the story. And when she comes home that day, she tells them how she had gone to a desert to click pictures of the rising sun and the setting sun with a friend, photographer friend of hers. She explains how it is in the desert, that it is very cold and hot in the mornings and cold at nights, and how it is difficult to move around in the desert because of the sand, because of which they had to use a camel as a mode of transportation. And she also explains of how she went to the mountains to click pictures of a mountain lion, and the weather in the mountain is very cold and windy, but it is not snowing. Okay. And the girls become very excited and happy on hearing Ravina auntie's story, and they say that they also want to travel when they grow up. That is all what the lesson is about. Okay. And now,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So we wrote the meaning of the word magazine. What is the meaning of the word magazine?
A book with articles and
Pictures.
pictures.
A book with articles and pictures. Now we have one more word meaning here, which is lookout point. Okay. So I'll give you the meaning first and then we move on to the question answers. Lookout point. Lookout point is a safe place to watch something. Hmm?
I'm right.
Yes. Safe place to watch something.
Travel of Ravina auntie. Ravina auntie.
Finish, ma'am.
Everyone has finished.
Avayam
Yes, ma'am.
Sandhya. ഇന്ന് 7 ആണോ? ഇന്നലെ 6.
Who is that talking in between? Abel Varghese, please mute your audio.
Am I not
Ma'am, I am not right.
When I ask you, why did you finish? Nobody answered.
Ma'am, we all are finished.
Quickly.
WATCH.
A safe place to watch something.
SOME.
Whose audio is that which is not muted?
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Now we will move on to the question answers. Okay. Yes.
I'm not finished.
So look at the first question. Why were the, please mute your audios. I will ask the question. Only that person will answer. Why were the girls excited to meet Ravina auntie? Why were the girls excited to meet Ravina auntie? Anthony? Anthony is surprised that I called out his name. Yes, Anthony. Why were the girls excited to meet Ravina auntie?
To
Why were the girls surprised to
hear
meet?
stories from the Ravina auntie.
Hear stories. Can you just reframe the sentence? Your answer is correct. Just reframe your sentence.
They are interesting to hear
No.
Ravina auntie stories.
Afrin, yes.
The girl excited to hear the stories.
Okay, all your answers are correct, but I'm not getting the correct sentence. Yes, Joanne.
She was their favorite aunt.
Hmm.
She had many interesting tales to tell.
Very good. Okay. The girls were excited to meet Ravina auntie because she was their favorite aunt. She used to tell them interesting stories or tales. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. I think it is better we discuss the question answer and then write it down. No? And then we will move on to the next question. So otherwise, if I send it on WhatsApp, I'm sure most of you are not completing the notes. Yes. So the first one, why were the girls excited to meet Ravina auntie? Ravina auntie was their favorite aunt.
Ma'am, that's in the textbook.
Yes, dear. Ravina auntie was their favorite aunt. She had many interesting tales to tell. She had many interesting tales to tell.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Mhm. I'm sure there are still few more still writing.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Has everybody finished?
I'm finished.
Okay, those who have finished, please sit quietly. Let the others also finish.
I'm finished.
You shouldn't be taking so long to write.
Finished. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Okay. So the second one, what did Ravina auntie's friend want to do in the desert? What did Ravina auntie's friend want to do in the desert? Yes, Devadaksh?
Ma'am. Ma'am. Andy
Hmm.
and was to take picture of
Hmm.
sunset, sunrise, and mountain of a lion.
In the desert.
Sun.
Ah,
The Ravina and his friend was
ah,
to do
ah,
in the desert is take picture.
ah.
Picture is picture
Hmm.
sun,
Hmm.
sunset. Right.
Can somebody put it in a proper sentence? Yes, Reeve?
Ravina and his friend want to do in the desert was to take sunrise and sunset.
Your sentence is again wrong. Yes, Anam? The answer is correct, Reeve. Your sentence is wrong.
Ravina and his friend
Hmm.
wanted to take
Hmm.
photographs
Hmm.
of the rising and setting sun.
Very good. Ravina auntie's friend wanted to take pictures or wanted to click photographs of the rising and setting sun. It is as simple as that. You don't have to complicate the entire thing. No, Mitra, that was not what you said. Your sentence was wrong. Ravina auntie's friend.
Okay, ma'am.
wanted to click photographs of the rising and setting sun. Ravina auntie's friend wanted to click photographs of the rising and setting sun.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, not finished. Ma'am, finish.
Those who have finished need not keep saying, I finished, I finish. Please wait for the others also to finish.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
Right.
Ma'am, finish.
Now, moving on to the third question.
I'm not finished.
How was the weather in the mountains? How was the weather in the mountains? Yes, Afif?
Ma'am,
Mm.
the weather in the mountain is winter.
Okay. Could you tell me from the text, using the words in the text, be a little more specific? Advait, yes, Advait?
He called with
Hmm.
lot of wind.
Okay, it was not snowing, but it was cold and lot of wind. Okay, very good, good. The weather in the mountains was very cold with lot of wind. It was not snowing. Okay. Afif, you understood? What you said, winter was correct. I just asked you to specify because they have mentioned it very clearly that it was not snowing. It was cold and windy. So moving on to the next. You should write the third one. The weather in the mountains was very cold and windy. It was not snowing.
And finish. Finish, man. Yeah, my finish. And finish.
Okay. Now the fourth one. What did Ravina auntie and her friend do to take photos of a mountain lion? What did Ravina auntie and her friend do to take photos of a mountain lion?
Ravina, Andy, and her friend
Hmm.
hide back the camera and pick photos of lion.
Okay, your answer is correct, Afrin. Anybody can reframe the sentence? Janicia, yes, Janicia.
Covered,
Mm.
covered leaf and branch.
Okay, yes. Can you give me the whole sentence? Yes, Janicia.
Ravina
Mm.
and her friend
Mm.
set up
Mm.
a lookout point
Mm.
which is covered with
Ah.
leaves and
Mm.
branches.
Mm. Okay, fine, good. Ravina auntie and her friend set up a lookout point and they covered it with leaves and branches. Okay? Ravina auntie and her friend set up a lookout point and they covered it with leaves and branches.
And
Ravina auntie and her friend set up a lookout point and they covered it with leaves and branches. Okay, I want all of you all to attempt the value-based questions. That is exercise 3, 1 and 2. I want you to attempt it by yourself. Okay, next class, I will ask a few of you all to read out your answers. Do you like to travel? Why or why not? Describe Ravina auntie in your own words. Very simple 2 questions. I want you to attempt it by yourself in your own words.
Okay, ma'am. Finish, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
Okay. So please attempt exercise 3, both those questions by yourself. If anyone has not completed, I will send you the question answers and those 2 word meanings through WhatsApp.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sir, send to WhatsApp.
I will send. Okay. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye
Have a
bye.
nice day, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye
Bye,
bye.
ma'am. Bye. Have a nice day,